30 Crazy Facts You Didn't Know About Queen Elizabeth. One. She was born at 2:40 a.m. on April 21, 1926, at 17 Burton Street in Mayfair, London. 2. She was christened Elizabeth Alexandra Mary at Buckingham Palace on May 29, 1926. 3. Elizabeth was named after her mother. 4. In 1930, then Princess Elizabeth's sister Margaret Rose was born. 5. When King Edward VIII abdicated the throne to Mary Wallace Simpson, Elizabeth's father became King George VI. 6. After the 1936 abdication, Princess Elizabeth became first in line to the throne. 7. During World War II, Elizabeth and sister Margaret moved to Windsor Castle for their safety. 8. Elizabeth was educated at home. 9. She studied constitutional history and law, preparing for her future role as queen. 10. She was also instructed in religion by the Archbishop of Canterbury. Queen Elizabeth II to mark 90th birthday on Thursday. 11. Princess Elizabeth and Prince Philip met at a wedding in 1934. 12. Elizabeth learned how to drive in 1945. 13. Elizabeth and Philip, the Duke of Edinburgh, were married at Westminster Abbey on November 20, 1947. 14. For a while, Elizabeth and Philip enjoyed a somewhat normal existence in Malta between 1949 and 1951. Philip was an officer in the Mediterranean Fleet. 15. Elizabeth became queen when King George VI died in February 1952. 16. In 1953, Elizabeth II attended her first football match, FA Cup final. 17. Elizabeth had 4 children, Prince Charles, Princess Anne, Prince Andrew and Prince Edward. 18. She has made 5 official visits to the United States during her reign. 19. Elizabeth II has answered over 3.5 million items of correspondence. 20. She has owned over 30 corgis. Her first dog was named Susan. 21. Elizabeth says Prince Philip has been her strength and stay during her reign. 22. The Queen and the Duke of Edinburgh became the first couple in the royal family to celebrate 60 years of marriage, also known as their diamond wedding anniversary. 23. For her Diamond Jubilee in 2012, the Queen received over 120,000 cards, letters and gifts. 24. Her coronation was the first to be televised in England. 25. Her great-grandson Prince George calls her Gongon. 26. The oldest recipient of a message from the Queen was a man from Canada who turned 116 in December 1984. 27. Elizabeth carries cash in her purse only on Sundays. She donates money to her church. 28. The Queen learned of her father's death while she was in Kenya. 29. the last British governor of New South Wales, made 3 films, entitled Long to Reign Over Us, about Elizabeth's succession and coronation. 30. She was coronated in Westminster Abbey in June 1953.